It's a draft. Yeah.
Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another work week in my life. So for those of you who don't know, I'm a mechanical engineer. Simultaneously, I'm in school to get my MBA and I also do YouTube on the side. This week should be pretty good. I did my last final for one of my classes in grad school over the weekend, so I have like a little bit of a break for about a week before I start my summer sessions. I do school year round just to finish faster, and so I'm doing summer session 1 and summer session 2 before the fall semester starts. So today at work should be pretty good. I don't have much planned. I have one like training session later in the day. Outside of that, I do get to learn a new program today, hopefully come out with a new skill. We'll see how it goes. That should be most of my day. So I'm running pretty late. I need to go downstairs, get something to eat, throw a lunch together, and then head out the door. Let me show you guys my outfit really quickly before I go. Alright, I just have on this rust colored blouse that I got from Express. I have on these black signature work pants and then some black shoes that I got from Nordstrom Rack, I believe. I'm back from work. I worked so hard today and I got so much done. So that feels good. It feels good to leave knowing I crossed a lot of things off my weekly to-do list. Now I want to go outside and enjoy the weather. It's so nice out. I did get something I've been waiting for in the mail today. I got this really pretty wallet to match my bag. I just feel like it's so cute. I think I'm gonna do like a first impressions on my channel, probably record like a quick video after I've used it for a week or so, just give like my initial thoughts. I'm glad I finally got it. I feel like it's gonna look really nice. So that's that. And I also got one more thing. So this bow and tee set also came. It's this really cute pair of shorts in this blue color with the matching top. Let me try it on for you guys really quick so you can see what it looks like. This is the set. It's this longer pair of biker shorts with this cute little tie on them, and then the matching long sleeve crop top with the finger holes. So I'm gonna put this with the rest of my workout clothes. Okay, so I got this organizer, this hanging organizer from Amazon, and it comes with 6 different sections. So I paired all the sets together and then organized them by color, and I feel like it just looks so organized and I know exactly where that particular set is. Now I'm just gonna put this one in there. Let me just grab one really quick so I can go get a quick workout in while the sun's still out.
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad. My bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want.
Good morning. Slept really good yesterday. Got to bed at a pretty decent time. So I'm up, ready, moving super quick this morning. Work today should be pretty light. I do have a complete list of tasks that I have to do, which is good. It'll keep me very productive and busy just crossing things off the to-do list. After work, I'm gonna hang out with Richie. I don't know exactly what we're gonna get into today, but it should be fun. Let me show you guys today's work outfit. This is a blue shirt that I got from Express. It has these cute little cuff details, and then signature black work pants. I promise you, I don't wear the same pair every day. I have like 10 pairs of these that I wash. And then black shoes. So I'll see you guys when I get back from work.
Yeah. Yeah. I
was finna write a song, but how I been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday and I'm looking forward to going to work today. Today is game day and I typically play some games with my coworkers, have a good time, crack some jokes, get some laughs in. It's a nice way to break up the day so I don't spend the whole day doing some work. I have a quick meeting today, so that shouldn't take long, and then for the rest of the day I should be able to get a couple things done. I'm working on a bigger project and doing a couple tasks for that, trying to learn some new stuff, so that's probably what I do for most of the day. I just have on this pink blouse that I got from Express. I got on this black skirt that I got from H&M, and then some standard black tights. I have some black shoes to throw on downstairs, and then I'm out the door. So I was able to do everything I needed to get done. I had to go to Pink because I really want to use these coupons and I won't have time to use them later. I did go to Target, but they didn't have any groceries really. Their grocery selection was really terrible. So I went to Wegmans too, and I was able to get some good stuff from there. I stocked up so I could do some meal prepping. I tried the dragon fruit lemonade that they had on the poster. It's not bad. So now I'm gonna go home and try to get a couple more things done before bedtime. It's getting really late and I'm really tired, so. Hey guys, what's up? Today is Thursday and it should be a pretty nice day at work. I'm really working straight through the day. I don't have any meetings or any trainings today, so I should really be able to just put my head down and get a ton done. I have a lot of things that have to get sent out by end of day tomorrow, so I'm going to try to get them all done today so that I don't even have to come in tomorrow. I really want to take tomorrow off, but we'll see what happens. I might end up working depending on if anything else gets put on my desk today that needs to be done for tomorrow. Outside of work, when I come home, I have a lot of editing to get done because I really want to put a video up, and I also need to look into my next class because even though I'm out of school for right now, a lot of times classes will schedule assignments due on the first day you get there, especially if they're shortened semesters like summer session 1 and summer session 2. They typically post things that they want you to do before you actually show up to the first class. So I need to look into that and see if there is anything I need to get done. I want to say it's from like Nordstrom Rack or Marshall's. It's really old. I think it's like one of the first things I bought when I got my full-time job, so I've had it for a little bit. So I'm gonna go do the normal, get me something to eat, grab a breakfast, and I'll see you guys when I get back. So I got home from work and I rushed to hurry up and edit a video. You guys probably have already seen I uploaded a Skims haul by the time you guys see this. So that's what I uploaded today, and now I'm just doing a little bit of like life organization. I know in my last vlog I showed you guys my planner and a couple of you asked me where it was from, but I've also talked to some of my friends and they suggested I do digital planning. So I've been trying out Google Calendar this week. So right now I'm trying to plan next week and it looks really good. Like I love how it looks and it's so easy to move things around. Let me show you guys really quick what mine looks like. I have pretty much everything in here. It looks pretty good. I created my own colors for each category. So I have stuff that's for self-care, I have birthdays for my family and my friends, I have anything for my job as this color. I have anything fitness related, any workouts, anything like that for this color, reminders, and things that I put in my phone, like reservations, stuff like that will show up in that color. And then I have any time or anything I schedule with Richie. In this color, I have school, tasks, TV shows, and YouTube. The colors look pretty good together. They're not too similar, and my week is pretty booked up. I still am trying to figure out how I can do both because I just love my physical planner that much. So really I use like 3 things to keep my life kind of organized, and that is my planner, Notion, and my journal. So for anyone who doesn't know what Notion is, it's like one program where you can put all of your thoughts and ideas. It's like really hard to explain, but it's amazing if you're into productivity and keeping yourself organized. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is my Notion. You can customize your homepage and the icon here, which is nice. Over here on the side, you can also make what are called pages. So I have tasks. I do have like a little journal screen over here. I have a reading list of all the things I want to read or things I have read already. I have a me day. I have a 1-year letter, like I told you guys. There's just a ton of different things you can put on here and a ton of different templates and things you can play with to make it your own. These are like the main areas of my life. I still haven't figured out what my mission statement should be, and that really is just like the mantra to my life. These are like things that I have going on, 2020 year in review. This is pretty cool because you can put a picture in for each month that kind of summarizes what you have going on, so that was nice. 2021 goals, like I said, I always try to keep track of my goals for the year in one place. Have my budget, my travel plans, my fitness tracker, career development, things I really want to accomplish at work, and then self-care things. People use it for a ton of different stuff, but that's really what I use it for, just really to keep track of a ton of different things. If you're interested in using Google Calendar or Notion to kind of organize your life and get everything together, but you're unsure of where to start or you're kind of overwhelmed with it all, head on over to Skillshare. Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. For those of you who don't know, Skillshare is an online learning community with a ton of different classes for creators. It's a great place for people who are looking to increase their creativity, find new things to do, find new passions. I really like Skillshare because I know that if there's something creative that I'm really interested in learning more about, I can definitely research on there and find some videos that'll help me and get me started in the right direction. They just have so many different class topics ranging from self-care and lifestyle to organization. And recently I found raising your plants, which I definitely need because I literally kill everything. I'm currently taking a class called How to Use Notion to Organize Your Life by Anna Linkovska, and it's really a good class because she's diving really deep into the technical aspect of Notion. I really was using it on a surface level, and she's showing me how to calculate things and see how far I've come. I don't typically get this deep into Notion, so it's nice to see that it can be done. Another good thing about them is they're curated specifically for learning, so there's no obnoxious ads, and they're consistently updating the website with new premium classes for everyone to take. And it's really just nice to know that there's this online learning community you can turn to when you want to get better at something, learn a new skill, or just be inspired. A membership is only about $10 a month, but the first 1,000 people to click the link in my description box below will get a free trial membership for Skillshare Premium. So check it out, give it a try for yourself, let me know what you think. So yeah, those are a few of the tools I use to keep myself organized, productive, and just keep everything together. And I also need to check into some stuff for school. So the syllabus is up, which is good. I can see what assignments we're probably gonna have and what the grade breakdown is gonna be. But good part about this class is there's really only like 5 or so classes, I think, and then it's done. It's done in like a month, and then you get 3 credits, which you really can't beat. I do have a couple things I need to do before class, but they're kind of heavy, so I don't think I'm going to do them tonight. I think I'll try to do them over the weekend. Now that all that's done, I think I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm so tired. Between work today, by the way, didn't get my assignment finished, definitely have to go to work tomorrow, and uploading a video and doing this editing and everything else, I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna go to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well guys, today is Friday. We have made it through a complete week in my life. I really wanted to take today off, but it's not a big deal. I'm just going to go in today and try to get this stuff done. I do have a lot on my plate for work today. I told someone in another department I would get something done for them by the end of today, so I'm rushing to get it done, and it's definitely a little hard. I've never done it before. This is my first time, but hopefully I can get it done. I'll keep you guys posted. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, so I'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for sticking around if you're still here, and I hope you're enjoying the vlogs I've been putting up. Definitely drop a comment, let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to see, or if you'd even like to see more of these. Definitely let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's work week in my life. As always, be sure to drop a comment, let me know your thoughts, let me know what you liked, and definitely stop back by next week. I drop a video every week, and I would hate for you guys to miss something new.
I met her the other day in the valley. She said, cool, so how long you been in Cali? 2 weeks, but I feel like it's home now.